Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been a bit of a struggle on knife making this year. We're up to March and haven't started anything yet. So I need to fix that problem. I've got a few orders in on the go and yeah, need to start making some knives. All right, what we're doing today, this little design, the guy who first ordered it from me called it a Cowboy Knife. It's got a little 3-finger grip on it, and I've made a couple for him before. This one is another one for him. We're going to make it a little bit more fancy, so I'll show you the ones I've already done, and let's get to making this one. Now his choice for this is some carbon steel. This is my personal preference as well, but as you can see, carbon steel left in a garage which leaks like a sieve. Turns pretty rusty. That's not a drama because by the time we're finished we'll take that layer of rust completely off. From our tradesman, come across here to the bandsaw. I've got to put this on this new stand. It's in a horrible height at the moment. We're going to take our cutout shape and grind it to shape. I often use a push stick with this. Doesn't matter the heat I build up in it because it's still got to be heat treated. Use an old belt, it's going to burn hot. But yeah, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Push stick just lets me work a little harder, a little hotter. Water quench just purely so I can hold on to it. So let's get grinding. As I was saying, it doesn't matter about the heat it gets. You can see there's a little bit of blackness to the tip. We're going to get it a lot hotter than that when we heat treat it, so it really doesn't matter. As to the rust, looks pretty bad on the outside, but once you're cutting in, absolutely no rust inside. So we are golden. A little bit of small weld just to play with the handle grip. Lots of touching and feeling and making sure that I'm all happy with it. Time to drill. When I'm drilling blades, I generally don't clamp them down or anything like that, just so I can move a little bit quicker. That is not the correct way to do it. You should put a clamp on it. There's a reason why I put the little disclaimer on there that don't copy me, it's not instruction. This steel's pre-hardened. It is at 42 Rockwell. I found some that I could buy cheap with it being hardened to 42. Not a huge problem. Makes it a little tougher to cut. Makes it a lot tougher to drill. I have carbide bits that I use for it, and as long as you take it slow and steady, use plenty of cutting fluid, then you'll get through it, no dramas at all. Holes all cut. Next step's going to be just to clean up these holes. I'll just run them across the belt, and then tomorrow we will take it through and heat treat it.